Hey everybody, welcome to my instant journey. My name is Jason and I'm so glad you're here. What we're going to do today is replace the film shield or the frog tongue on my Polaroid camera here. If you don't know, when the Polaroid film originally came out, the frog tongue would come out and then come back in after about a second or so because the film chemicals didn't need very long to sit before they weren't harmed by the sunshine. Well, the current film, the state that it's in, or the chemicals rather, they really need to be out of the sun for like 10 to 15 seconds. And when you don't do that, you end up getting somewhat blue kind of, well, that one's actually kind of decent. Oh, wait, these aren't the pictures I wanted to show at all. Where are the pictures? Oh, they're over here. So this picture actually isn't too bad, but then this one is really blue. There's lots of blues in there. Same with this one and even this one. These are shots of my sweet little pumpkin. Now, what these could be is it could be that the camera that I was using, these pictures were not taken with this camera. The camera I was using, maybe part of its personality is the images come out a little bit more blue. Now that doesn't make sense to me because it's a Polaroid camera. It's not like, I've had some digital cameras where the images came out a little washed out if the light meter was spot on, but when you dropped it back a stop or stop and a half, they looked fantastic. So maybe that's what it was like. I don't know. But from what I was reading, one of the best things you can do is replace the frog tongue on your box type camera so that it doesn't remove itself from the film. And we'll test it and you'll see what I mean. So I've got my replacement film shield here and we'll just open this up. And what's really nice is right on, I've never done this before, but right on the back here, it gives us the directions on what to do. So we have to look for the tabs here and then basically pop it out, replace it, and then snap it back in. So that doesn't look like it's too difficult to do.
Which room?
Oh.
Kitchen.
No, Siri, stop it. Ugh. All right, so we got the replacement. Let's see. So we should be able to see this. We should be able to see this really well, considering like this front part here is plastic, and plastic, but it's yellow. So, oh yeah, so there are the tabs. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there are the tabs there, one there and then one there. So I've got a little flathead screwdriver. I wonder if you can pull off the. No, I don't want to break it. I'm not completely sure. But according to this, we should be able to just pop it. Ooh, shoot. Ooh, this plastic is breaking. It's really hard to see, but these hooks, they come up and grab the plastic on the bottom. And like, it's really hard to see. I wish you could take off. It probably would come off, but I'm just too afraid to break. I'm too afraid I'm going to break it. Like, I just don't want to. I'm just so afraid I'm going to break it. Okay, I think I got that side. Okay, I got that side out. Ha! All right, let's try this other. Just keep working on this other one. Slowly. Oh, sweet, it came out. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that was really simple. So as you can see, like these little clips here on the end, you can kind of see how they kind of have that little lip on them. Yeah, that's a great shot. So you can see they've got that little lip on them. So when they pop up into the camera, they grab right onto the inside of here. So now we'll take off the old frog tongue. It's still like, it's still so bizarre to me that this camera was made in the 90s. That means it's 2024, right? So 90s, 2000s, 2010s, 2020s. So this is probably a 30-year-old camera, which is crazy to me. Okay, so this goes in the camera this way. So the frog tongue goes this direction, I believe. And if what I'm reading, if the directions are right, this thing should just just snap back in place without like any real... I'm in my garage and I don't know if you can hear those. Hear the beeping of the... Am I doing this wrong? Yes, I was doing it incorrect. I was doing it incorrect. Okay, so you see the hooks there? They've got to go in this direction. At least I think that's the way. Wait, no. Wait, what? Okay, so we're going to put the frog tongue on first rather than... It's getting a little frustrating, y'all. I'm not going to lie. So this goes on this way, which means this is going to go on this way so it catches the film under the... Oh, you can't see. Under here. Let's see if putting it this way helps. Oh, no! No! Shoot. These little pieces came off. I bet I didn't put it in the right way. Dang it. Oh, flip. Man. Oh. Well, I've still got the two. When I was looking up this way, the hooks go in like this. The hooks go in that way. It's just this plastic. The plastic is just so like brittle. There. All right, so it's in. The frog tongue is on. Okay, I got a pack of film. Just a test. So we'll put that in there. Ha ha! It works! Oh, that is awesome. Awesome. That worked. I am so happy. I was really scared though, because when these little pieces broke off, of that thing, I thought, oh no, I completely broke it. Now these are stabilizing things for the center of it. So, I mean, it may come back and bite me in the butt later, but as of right now, it seems to be working. So thank you for joining me on my instant journey. Bye.